Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. After a very long time, we are meeting again. So in our previous class, I was teaching you GK only, but in the next class or in the next promoted class, I'm going to begin with the next one new subject for you, actually one new subject with me, that is maths. Okay, so I'm your maths teacher. Hello, I'm Achal Singh and I'm your maths teacher for the year. Okay, so today I'm going to start with the introduction from your maths topic from your maths book, and I hope during this long break after the annual examination you all are doing well and you are all are fit and fine and continue with the same. So though due to this COVID-19 we are still not able to contact with you personally face to face, we can't teach you in person, so that's why we have adopted this medium of online teaching so that you don't lag behind with your teaching, ताकि आप अपनी अपनी पढ़ाई से पीछे ना रह जाएं, not teaching from your studies, ताकि आप अपनी स्टडी से पीछे ना रह जाएं. So that's why we have again started with this medium of contacting with you all through this online teaching. Okay, so once again I welcome you all, and as your maths teacher I'm going to start with the introductory topic from your class 4 maths book. Okay, so let's begin with the topic. Okay, so first of all, in today's session, we are going to start with the first topic from the book, that is a warm-up exercise. Okay, so what is warm-up exercise, class? So in this warm-up exercise, actually, we are going to do certain sums that you have already done in your previous class, that is in class 3. Okay, तो ये already जो sums in this chapter में करेंगे, near about 60 to 70 sums are here, and all these sums you have already done in your previous class. Okay, तो ये सारे sums आप अपनी पहले previous class में कर चुके हैं. Okay, so you can say that this is just a recall activity for you all, so that you can easily recall all the sums or all the topics that you have covered in your previous class. So the previous class Shruti ma'am was your maths teacher, but in this class 4 I'll be your maths teacher. Okay, so let's begin with the topic, that is warm-up exercise, or you can say the warm-up chapter from your maths. Okay, this is the foremost chapter in your maths book. So I'm just writing here the topic, that is warm up. Okay, so this is the topic that I'm starting today. Okay, so that is the warm-up exercise I'm going to start in today's session. Okay, so I hope that you all have purchased the books. So the books are very important, beta, especially for the practical subjects, because until you are having your books with you, you are not able to do the practicals properly. So I just want to say that you must purchase books that you are easily available from the Kanchi shop from your school. Okay, so that you can continue with your studies. Okay, so this is the first topic that we are going to start. This is the exercise. Okay, so let's begin with the first question that is given here, that is write the numeral in the box which has. Okay, so in this first sum, here they have just given some of the number names. Okay, and we have to write the numeral for this given number name. Okay, so here they have given, you can say, we can say that here in this sum, okay, they have, first of all I'll just write on the top question here, then you will be easily able to understand the question. Okay, so the question number first, the A part is, that is 3,400, 3,000, comma 400, comma and 5 ones. It is not comma, is not here. Here it is, and 5 ones. Okay, So here they have given the question where three contain thousands, 400s and 5 ones. So that means in this question they have given the place value of that particular digit. Okay, so that means the 3 in this is given at a 1000 place, whereas at the 100 place the 4 is there, and at the 5 place, at the 1's place 5 is there. So that means these 3, 4 and 5, they have certain place values in a given number. Okay, and you have to write by observing their place values. You have to write the numeral, that how we are going to write the numeral if the certain place values are given. So that means for that, this first of all you must be knowing the place values. So what are place values? Okay, so first of all I'll just give a small introduction about the place value, and then we will continue with the question. Clear? So let's see the place values. Okay, so according to the Indian place value chart. So here I am starting with the Indian place value chart. Okay, so this is what is given in your chapter, that is Indian place value excuse me, Indian place value chart. Okay, so though you have already done this Indian place value chart in your previous class 3, so still I'm just going to give you a small introduction about this Indian place value chart. Okay, so according to the Indian place value chart, the first, here we always start from the right hand side. Here first of all, that is ones, then it's tens, then it's 100, then 1000. Okay, so let me write it one more time clearly. Okay, so here it will be ones, tens, 100, 1000, then it's 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakh. Okay, that is lakh and that is 10 lakh. So this is the Indian place value chart. ये the ones, tens, 100, 1000. So ये हमारी Indian place value है बेटा. Okay, but इसको हमने certain, we have just give them a group. We have grouped them. Okay, so suppose like a number is given 2, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, 0. Okay, so here they have just given, I have taken just a single, just a random number, numeral, and I am just going to write this their place value. So that means this 0 is at 1's, 4 is at 10's place, 5 is at 100 place, 6,000, 3, 10,000, 4 lakh, then 2 is at 10 lakhs place. Okay, so this is their place value. So now first of all, 1s, 10s and 100, we keep them in a separate group, then we put a comma, and then next, after starting from the right hand side, we first of all we will do 1s, 10s, 100, we group them together, then 1000 and 10,000, then 100, then lakh, 10 lakh, then adjust ऐसे crores, 10 crores and so on. But in your syllabus you are having only up to 10 lakhs. Okay, so that means जो last 3 place values है 1s, 10s, 100, उसमें हमारे पास 3 place values है, we group 3 place values together, and rest of them जो बाकी हैं we group 2 place values together. Okay, so this is our Indian place value chart. Okay, so but if we move to the question here, okay, let's move to the question that is given in the book. That is given here 3,000s, 400s and 5 ones. So I'm just going to put these numbers according to their place values. Okay, so where is 3,000? So that means at 1,000 we are having 3, 400s, at 100s we are having 4, 5 ones, and 5 is at 1's place. So that means here we are having 5 at ones, nothing is at tens, then it's 4 at hundreds and 3 at thousand. Okay, but as we can see here, or as we can observe, at tens place we are not having any digit here. So that means tens place is completely empty. So tens place is completely empty, or we are not having any number at tens place. So that means देखिए बेटा, when the any of the place value is any of the place value is empty, or जहाँ पे कोई digit ना दिया हो, or of any of the place value is not mentioned, so we assume that there is zero. We assume it as zero. Okay, so that means we will assume it as 0. So that means now it will be 3405. So you can say at ones place we are having 5, at tens place we are having 0, at hundred place we are having 4, and at thousand place we are having 3. So that means if we are going to write this given numerals, okay, so if you are going to write these place values in a numeral form, we are going to write it like this. This is 3 4 0 5. 3 4 0 5. Okay, so this is how we are going to write its numeral. Okay, this is how we are going to write its numeral. Okay, so ऐसे हमें जो इसके numerals लिखेंगे. Clear? Now beginning with the second one, that is the B. So B1 is, that is 9 hundreds, 2 ones, that is 9 hundreds, then it's 2 ones, next 3 tens, 3 tens, and 5 thousands, and 5 thousands. Okay, so that means now we are going to write it these numbers. Okay, so let's see how we can write these numbers. Okay, so here again the place values of different numbers are given, and hundreds we are having 9, ones place we are having 2, tens place we are having 3, and thousand place we are having 5. So देखिए in this is not given in a series में नहीं दिया, 1000 then 100 then tens then ones, या there is nothing given in the series, कोई series भी नहीं दिया गया है. We will arrange it ourselves. We are going to arrange them in a proper serial order. Okay, so let's write down. So according to the Indian place value chart, first of all we will write from the right hand side. Okay, so that means first of all we will write the digit that is given at ones place. So what is given at ones place? That is 2. Then at tens place, after ones it will be tens, and tens place they have given 3. After tens that will be 100, and 100 place we are given 9. And after 100 place, the next place is 1000 place, and here we are having 5 at 1000 place. So the number formed by arranging these given number numerals according to the place value, that is 5932. That is 5932. So after arranging these numerals in the proper form or in the proper order, we got the number that is 5932. Okay, so this is the B part. Now moving next to the C part of the same sum, number 1. Okay, so all these sums are alike. I hope that you must be recalling or recollecting all these kinds of sums that you have already done in the previous syllabus of the previous class. So let's begin with the C part, that is 8 tens, 4 hundreds, 4 hundreds, and and 6,000 and 6,000. Okay, so let's arrange these given place values in a numeral form, or we are going to write these numbers in a numeral form. Okay, so let's begin with it. Okay, so again, starting with the Indian place value chart, right, starting from the right hand side. First of all, the place value we are having, that is ones. So at ones place we are having here the tens, hundred and thousand. So they have not given any value or any number at ones place. Okay, so in this sum there is nothing, there is no value or the no number is given at ones place. So that means if nothing is given, we are going to assume it as 0 or we are going to write it as 0, क्योंकि 0 वंस प्लेस पे हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं दिया है. अभी मैंने आपको फर्स्ट सम में करवाया था कि अगर हमारे पास किसी प्लेस वैल्यू पे कोई भी डिजिट नहीं दिया है, ओके, बट उसके नेक्स्ट जो प्लेस वैल्यूज है वो दी गई हैं, सो व्हाट वी डू, वी पुट 0 इन प्लेस ऑफ दैट. ठीक है, तो वंस प्लेस पे हमारे पास कुछ नहीं दिया है, सो वी विल पुट 0. ओके, सो आफ्टर वंस प्लेस द नेक्स्ट इज आफ्टर वंस, दैट इज tens. So any number given at tens? Yes, it is 8. So ones के बाद tens, that is 8. After tens, that is 100. And at 100 place, we have given 4. Ones, tens, 100. The next is 1000. So the next place value is 1000. So that is thousands place. That there it is 6. That is 6. So as we can write these place values, so it will be 6480, or you can write, you can pronunciate it as, that is 6480. This is 6480. Okay, so now after arranging all these given place values in a proper format, we got the number that is 6480 or 6480. Okay, so we are going to write it like this only. Clear class? Chaliye, let's begin with the D part. The D part is 9,000, 2 tens and 1 1. Okay, the next number is 9,000, 9,000, 2 tens, 2 tens and 1 1. 1 ones. So that means now we are going to write it as well like the other three. Okay, so starting from the right hand side, from the Indian place value chart, the foremost, the first place value from the right hand side is, that is ones. So any number that is given at ones place, that is 1 only. So ones place पे कौन सा number है, कौन सी value है, that is 1. So ones पे 1. After ones, it is tens. So the place value after tens is, so after ones is tens. So at the tens place, it is given, they have given the value, the digit or the number, that is 2. So ones, tens, after tens it is 100. So any number or any value given at 100 place? No. So we can't see any number or any value that is given at 100 place. So as no value is given, what we are going to do? We are going to write it as 0. जब हमारे पास किसी भी कोई भी प्लेस वैल्यू पे कोई डिजिट मिसिंग होती है, सो हम क्या करते हैं, वहां पे क्या लगाते हैं, 0. सो वी विल राइट 0. ओके, ones, tens, 100. Okay, 100 पे हमारे पास. The next is 1000. So the next is 1000. So at thousands place we are having 9. So the number, after putting it in a proper format or proper numeral form, we got the number that is 9021. 9021, that is 9021. Okay. So C part more. This was the C and the D part from the first question from your warm-up exercise. So in which the certain place values, certain numbers actually, not place values, certain numbers with their place values are given, and we have to write these place values or these numbers according to the Indian place value chart in a proper numeral order. ओके एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव रिटन हियर ओके तो हमने इनको प्रॉपर न्यूमरल ऑर्डर में लिखते हुए इनको प्रॉपर इनकी प्लेस वैल्यू के अकॉर्डिंग लिखा है according to the Indian place value chart. And I have also mentioned before explaining the first question, I have shown you the Indian place value chart, and you must make that Indian place value chart in your notebook so that it will be easy for you all to recollect or recall all the concepts of Indian place value that you have done or you're going to do further. Okay, chaliye. So now we are going to begin with the question number 2 from the warm-up chapter only. So the question number 2 is, okay, so before moving to the next question, let me erase the board completely first. Okay, so now moving to the question number 2 from the warm-up exercise. Question number 2 is, use the digits given on the cards and form the largest and the smallest number of 4 digits. Okay, so here we can see 4 cards are given of 4 different numbers, that is 8, 4, 0 and 7. Okay, so as you can see in the book, the question number 2, आपकी book में दिया हुआ बेटा, here they have given the 4 cards, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So they have given the 4 cards with 4 different numbers. The first is 8, second is 4, third is 0 and the fourth is 7. So these 4 numbers you can see they have given in your book, 8, 4, 0, 7. Okay, so now what we are going to do next is, we are going to form a largest and a smallest number by using these 4 numbers from the cards. Okay, so we are going to form a largest and a smallest number by using these 4 numbers given on the card. Okay, so here they have written the question also. Use the digits given on the cards and form the largest and the smallest numbers of 4 digits. Okay, so that means in 4 numbers को use करते हुए, that is 8, 4, 0, 7, इनको use करते हुए we have to make a largest number and a smallest number. Okay, so let's start. That is largest number. So the largest number. Okay, so for forming a largest number using any number of digits, using 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So for making any largest number from the given numbers, so first thing you have to keep in your mind that while making a largest number, you must arrange all the given numbers in the descending order. Okay, that means for making a largest number from these given 4 numbers, so इन चारों numbers को use करके जो हमें largest number बनाना है, so for that we will arrange these 4 numbers in the descending order, from that means biggest to smallest. Okay, for making, but still there's a little bit change in the concept along with 0, but not in the case of the largest number, but in the case that's a different thing. Okay, so just keep in your mind that whenever you have to make a largest number using some given different numbers, or just arrange those given numbers in the descending order, that is from biggest to smallest. So the biggest number is, that is 8. Among these 4 digits, which is the biggest number? That is 8. Next, biggest number among these 4 digits is, that is 7. Okay, the next biggest number is 4, and after that is 0. So the largest number we formed by using these 4 cards, that is 8407 is, okay, so the largest number is 8740. So that means, as you can observe or as you can see as well, that we have arranged all these given numbers in the descending order. इनको हम बिगेस्ट से स्मॉलेस्ट की तरफ लिखेंगे, so that this is how you can easily make a number. You can make a largest number using a group of numbers, whether it's of 2, 3, 4 and 5 or whatever it is. Okay, chaliye, now moving to the second question, that is we have to make a smallest number as well using these 4 digits, that is smallest number. Okay, so now we have to make a smallest number as well. So smallest number बनाने के लिए बेटा हम क्या करेंगे? So for making a smallest number, we are going to arrange, or we will arrange all these given numbers in ascending order. Ascending orders means smallest to bigger. ओके, सो जैसे कि मैंने आपको लार्जेस्ट नंबर के लिए बताया था कि फॉर मेकिंग द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ और गेटिंग स्मॉलेस्ट लार्जेस्ट नंबर फ्रॉम द गिवन ग्रुप ऑफ नंबर्स, you have to arrange in a descending order. Likewise, if you need to make a smallest number from the given numbers, from the given group of numbers, so you need to arrange them in ascending order. So that means from smallest to bigger. But one important thing in this is that if जो भी हमारे पास ग्रुप ऑफ नंबर दिया हुआ है, इफ देयर इज 0, अगर वहां से उसमें जीरो, देखिए अगर इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अरेंज दिस 8407 इन द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, दैट इज स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगर, सो जस्ट लेट्स अरेंज इट. द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज दैट इज 0, देन इट्स 4, देन 7 and 8. एंड ऑल ऑफ यू आर वेरी वेल अवेयर कि अगर हम 0 को बेटा आगे लगाते हैं तो दैट विल बी ऑफ नो वैल्यू. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं हुई, दैट विल बी 478 ओनली. 0 अगर हमारा आगे लगा होता है तो वी अज्यूम इट एज कि वो यहाँ पे है ही नहीं. तो ये तो 3 डिजिट नंबर हुआ, बट हमें कितना बनाना है? 4 डिजिट नंबर. सो वी नीड टू मेक अ स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर. सो इस केस में हम क्या करते हैं? इन स्पाइट ऑफ अरेंजिंग, इफ द 0 इज गिवन, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द 0 केस ओनली. ओके, अगर 0 केस दिया होता है, so we also arrange the given numbers in the ascending order, but the exception is there कि जो next digit होता है, the next after 0, the next smallest number, 0 के बाद जो smallest number है, that is 4. तो उसको हम पहले लिखते हैं and after that we put the 0. So that means we exchange the positions of these two numbers. Okay. So what we do, we exchange the positions of these two numbers. Okay, like we put 4 in place of 0 and 0 in place of 4, like I have done here, and rest of the numbers will be same. Rest of the number will be same. Okay, and this exception is only there in the case if the case is of 0. Okay, so largest number में arrange करने के लिए what we do, we arrange the given numbers in the descending order, that means from biggest to smallest. And if we need to get a smallest number from the given group of numbers, what we do, we arrange the given numbers in ascending order, that is from smallest to bigger. But if there is 0 in that given, if there is 0 is given in that group of numbers, so what we do, we just exchange. तो सबसे पहले हम उसको लिखेंगे, हम roughly क्या करेंगे? In rough, we will write the numbers in the ascending order. Likewise, I have written here. But याद रखिएगा, we will exchange the position of first and the second digit, because if we put the 0 at the first place or in the front, that will be of no value. So we assume it as nothing is here. So it will be the digit of 3. This number will be of 3 digits only. So what we do, we just exchange the positions of first two numbers, and rest of the numbers, whether it's 4, 5, 6, 10 or whatsoever, we keep it as same. So देखिए, after arranging the number in ascending order, we got 0, 4, 7, 8. Okay, and now as the case of 0 is there, तो 0 है तो हम first two numbers की मैंने आपस में position exchange कर दी. That is 4 is in place of 0 and 0 is in place of 4. And the rest 7, 8, that is like this. So the smallest number using these 4 digits is, that is 4078. Okay, so this is the smallest number that we have got after arranging these 4 numbers. So the largest numbers you formed by using 8407 is 8740, and the smallest number formed by using the number is, that is 4078. Okay, so this was from our warm-up exercise. Okay, so I'll see you again in the next session, so we can continue with the next topic, next question from the same topic. Okay, class, so with this I'm just ending the session here only, so I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody have a great day.